Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing? How we doing? Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor. It's Pandora the Postcard Diva. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. We made it. It's Friday, and I'm back to do a video for the Home Business Academy. Alright, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. Alright, I'm just do a quick video for you guys this morning. Excuse my morning voice. Alright, but I want to do a quick video. As you can see, we are in our Let's Go app. Alright, one of the 4 products that the Home Business Academy has. Personal development app. As you can see, I've already completed my morning routine task for today, and it tells you that, hey, you completed your task. Got my routine going, my app. The app notified me because I had it set for a certain time in the mornings to say, hey, get up and let's go start your morning routine and complete your task. This app is only $10. You can download it on your phone, and you can also have it on your desktop. All right, so that's what we're looking at right here this morning. That's why it's saying congratulations. Go check it out, guys. $10 a month. You earn $8 commissions every time you share it with others. Great personal development app. All right, so excuse me. So anyway, just want to come back to talk about this $25 digital business. All right, you guys probably been seeing me pretty much every day. I've been making a video since I got started. I challenged myself. Okay, that's the thing. I challenged myself. I said, hey, you're ready to start this new project. Okay, adding it to what I'm doing. Okay, I still have my other ones. They're intact. No problem. No worries, guys. All right, but I wanted to give it my effort and challenge myself for 30 days to actually do a video 1 a day. All right, so I have met that, I believe, almost. Let me see. Wait, hold on. Let me not jump ahead of myself. I think I'm, hold on. Well, yeah, hold on. Hold it. I want to say... almost. Okay, it says I joined on the 8th. I'm almost there. 3 more days. Saturday. Was it Saturday? No, the 8th. Whatever the 8th is, because I joined it on the 8th. And it's December 5th. So far, I've been doing a video every day. All right, to talk about the program. So, the $25 digital business. Home Business Academy. They've been around, guys, since 2016. It's almost 10 years in the game. All right, this is a learning platform. Okay, marketing, training, coaching. You get all the training that you need to start a home-based business. From the funnel builder, shows you how to build your funnels. Because you got to have a marketing system. You got to automate this thing, right? That's what this is. This is going to show you how to automate your online business. The Funnel Builder Academy. Only $25 a month. You get to create unlimited pages, all that you want. Not to mention they have done for you pages in here that you can just jump in. Right here, see, done for you funnels, ready to use templates, and then all the live coaching. $25 business. You're able to earn residual with this too, by the way. We need to put that disclaimer up. Hang on. Alright, so let's talk about this disclaimer real quick. FTC disclaimer, I can't make any guarantees or promises on what you can make. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business, right? But for the full earnings disclosure of all of this, go to income.thehba.net. To earn much higher income amounts, work, skill, and commitment is required. So you have to do the work, okay? That's what it takes to get the results. Alright, now, back into this $25 digital business, guys. So anyway, Funnel Builder Academy is $25 a month. You earn $20 commissions every time you refer others to this academy, this training. right? Then they have the premium, $125 a month. Now that one is the cream of the crop. That's traffic conversions, marketing, coaching, the whole nine. Everything you need to get this thing working. That's the training you're going to get there. Okay, so that was $125 a month. You earn $100 commissions, and this is residual. We're talking. We're not talking one time. Okay, because as long as folks keep their subscription membership, all right, you will earn from that person over and over and over, month after month. All right, so let's look at this. So funnel builder. Look at all the training you're gonna get over here, right? They're gonna show you how to set it up. This is what this is, the academy. You gotta get your system automated, okay? That's what makes this thing work when you're not online, right? You do your marketing, you put it out here. You got your domain. Let's say you put an ad out, you run some solo ads, or you post something on social media, and folks go to your capture page. They say, this is interesting. What is this all about? They put in their name and the email, and boom, this is where your automated system kicks in. All right, so what it's going to do is going to drip on them by sending them emails, every other day or every 2 days for the next 30 days. And that email is going to have a link in it coded to you that's going to send them back to the sales page so that the system can do the selling and telling for you while you're living life. At the same time, you just collected a lead, right? So this is how you build your list. And over time, that's what you're doing here. This is over time. This is not an overnight sensation, gratification situation. Oh, all right, that's bars. But anyway, right? And over time, you're building a list that is your list. So at any time, you're going to be able to broadcast, and on your own, just send out an email to those folks. They're on your list. And you'll be able to market anything that you're promoting to them. Okay? So you got to have that funnel. That is critical. You must build a list, not just send people to especially cold traffic. They don't know you, right? Cold traffic is strangers, right? Let's say you post an ad out here somewhere. Those folks don't know you that happen to look at that. They're not on your Facebook. They don't know you. They're not on your YouTube channel. These are strangers. So they don't know you personally. So that's why you need to build a list that will build trust over time, right? And they're like, oh, that's that person I've been following. There she is, or he. All right, so you got to build your list. So that's what this funnel builder is going to do. Automate your system for you. And then, like I said, the academy is going to give you the training that you need to set this thing up, number one. And then number two, to continue to educate you. All right, a mastermind. They have the mastermind trainings for this. All right, so this $25 business has been going for quite some time. It's the all-in-one digital business. Work smarter, guys, not harder. All right, so here's one of the pages that we get. Hang on. And so the page, let's just scroll through it a little bit. You get access to this page. You're going to have your own page like this one. We have done for you products, websites, emails, traffic, and training and resources. They provide live daily personal help, service, and product delivery. So we don't have to create products. I love this, not e-commerce. We don't have to ship anything. Everything is digital. We are living in a digital world. All right, so everything is here for you. You want to watch this video, though, when you first come in here. All right, 33-minute video that's going to explain everything about this $25 business, which is 82 cents a day, by the way. I mean, really, 82 cents a day? And you can end up earning $20 commissions for every customer you refer to the service. They pay you 80% commissions also, all right? So that's wonderful. $20 every time someone purchases your $25 business. It's only 3 steps to get started. All right, excuse me there. 3 steps to get started, okay? Simple and easy. And once you go ahead and check out, you instantly get access. There's no delay. There's nothing to be set up far as the company is concerned in giving you your products you just purchased. No different than when you go to Amazon, right? and you purchase. You just bought the product, and all they got to do is ship it to you. Whereas here, we don't have to ship anything, but I'm just saying it's instant, okay? Instant. Or let's say an app. I said Amazon, I meant like Apple. I go in there and I want to buy download a song, right? I hit that buy button and boom, they like click this button. You got your product. It's on your phone instantly. That's what you'll have here. You're gonna get an email from the company saying, "Hey, welcome aboard." Log in and bam, you're gonna be inside your dashboard and you got access to your products immediately, and you can start promoting this thing. Go through the training to promote it. So, what I like about this program as well is they are here to help. We said work with you. I've already experienced that for myself. I reached out. I needed help on one of my funnels. I was just setting it up in the community. Assisted, as well as one of the owners jumped in on a Saturday. Okay, I mean, it's unheard of that you get an owner of a company that's going to answer you back. All right. So anyway, they're here to help. That's serious. Okay. All right. So it's all-in-one business, guys. So you get your support, your mentoring, you got your community, you got your products, you got your training, everything right here at your fingertips for $25 a month. And like I said, they've been around since 2016, which is a solid company. They're here for the long haul, long term. All right. So you got all your products here. We don't have to deal with customer service, no complicated techie sales funnels, because they've got training for everything. Every product has training. And when I tell you 6 days of training here on this platform, 6 days. So I'm just thumbing through this. I want you to check it out. Make sure you go to the link in the description there. Get paid from home.info. All right. And then we want to automate it. Use the automation tools, the personal mentoring, simple step-by-step strategies. They're here to give you strategies on how to be successful with this thing. All right. And we automate this stuff. That's why we have the capture page to capture the information. The simple tool to use will help you to automate your business, and it's so much fun to use. All right? Check it out. Lead capture pages, landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, digital products. All these, this tool can help you create any of these things. Calendar bookings, if you want that type of page. Like, you may be a consultant and you're like, I need a page just for people to go in, put their information in, and book appointments with me. They have that, and these done for yous are already set up. Just use those templates if you don't want to start from scratch. All right, so it's a website builder. And of course, we've got the traffic and conversions mastermind, which I talked about earlier. That's the premium. If you want to learn how to get traffic to whatever you're promoting, that's the premium. All right, you want to get that. Monday through Friday. Masterminds, sales and conversions, vault. They got a vault. All right, discover how to convert traffic and leads into endless sales with step-by-step techniques. They show you this. Weekly, what's working now training. Okay, because there's so many programs out here that's so old, that's just been out here with training in a dashboard that was 15 years ago. We want to know what's working now. That's not working now because things change, times change. We're in a different era. What was working 10 years ago is not working necessarily now, right? Plus, we're in the digital world. We're in the AI world now. So 10 years ago, that was no AI, right? So that wasn't working. So that's not working now, right? So anyway, you get all these trainings, guys, done for you templates that convert traffic to leads and sales. That's the funnel builder, all right? So not going to keep you. I just wanted to bring this out here so you guys can get into it. Access to 11 live masterminds and Q&A sessions every week. Yes, you can come on there and ask any questions that you may have. On Saturdays, they have the new members come on the Saturday call, get acclimated, where the owners will go over the back office and show you everything, right? So you can get familiar with the program and answer your questions. And not to mention all these tools you're going to get. All right. So anyway, that's it. That's all. Happy Friday. Hope you have an amazing day. Go to that link in the description. jump in, $25, and they got a 3-day money-back guarantee also. So you have nothing to lose. Check it out. Thanks again for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day, guys.